Good afternoon and hello. My name is Renee D. Waring, and I am the founder of Uniquely and Wonderfully Made Ministries. Please be aware of the fact that much of what I say are quotes from the online article entitled Live, Bold and Bloom. That's again, Live, Bold and Bloom. This is video number 4 in this series entitled How to Overcome Shame, part number 4-R period Warring, W-A-R-R-I-N-G. First, I will briefly review points number 4 and 5 from the last video. Point number 4, challenge your thoughts. When you mentally revisit conversations or situations where you felt shame, you are strengthening your shame. You can weaken the grasp of shame by challenging your thoughts. Fight mentally by reframing your thoughts and focusing on the positive. Point number 5, do not double layer shame. Give yourself permission to feel shame when you feel it. Do not layer more pain on yourself by kicking yourself for those feelings. By accepting the fact, you can begin to heal. Now, I will cover the new material for today. Point number 6, avoid shame and reinforcers. You may have consciously or unconsciously chosen a partner and or friends who reinforce your feelings of shame that was instilled in you in your past. However, you can choose to surround yourself with emotionally healthy relationships. If your partner triggers feelings of shame in you, please seek counseling with that partner. Point number 7, accept love and kindness. You might distrust people who are kind to you because they cannot discern that you are really, quote, bad, unquote, and unworthy. You must teach yourself a new way of responding. First, practice accepting kindness openly and with gratitude. Second, accept compliments without deflecting or diminishing them. And third, allow yourself to trust the good judgment of the person who sees the good in you. Point number 8, practice forgiveness. The only person who can really offer absolution is you. Whenever your feelings you might perceive in yourself, why not just give yourself a pass? Everyone is flawed and has made mistakes. We all want and need forgiveness. Thank you for listening to today's presentation. This is the last video of this series. Please return to view the next video on Thursday, October the 18th. Please listen and invite someone to view it with you. I am the founder of Uniquely and Wonderfully Made Ministries. My name is Renee D. Waring, and I am the Warrior Warring.